As a mark of appreciation towards the contribution of COVID-19 frontliners during the pandemic, the JAIAW LUMPYLLON DORBAR, in a formal gathering held on the 18th of December 2021, felicitated the COVID-19 management team, volunteers and frontliners of the area. The chief guest on the occasion was local MDC Paul Lingdo, while others present included the Director of Health Services, Dr. Aman War, Rangba Shillong PD Nongrum, executive members of the DORBAR Shillong, besides others. Speaking on the occasion after the felicitation program, Paul Lingdo lamented on the attitude of the general public towards the DORBAR and Health Department during the pandemic. He said that teamwork always pays, but it is sad to see that the efforts put in by health workers have always been taken for granted by the general public, who, without realizing the pain and harassment they had to undergo while catering to health needs of the people, termed such efforts as responsibility of frontliners. Lingdo therefore urged upon each and every individual to join hands and acknowledge the sacrifices made by all those in the line of duty.
Kejingan Thailand kat Trigam. Bun si nangi mission meeting for granted. Ya kaji kershan jumpi DORBAR Shillong, ya kaji kershan jumpi kena sorkat. Mission mereka bawa for granted. Kita ada ini, kadai kekam jumpi bagi leh. Henry ngiklat ya kita trong cái chuyện tracy trong ngiklat ya kapor kapag induk dia aku dem ki health workers ki jogi ki don lagi ki ba ya kedua marfat yang menyutu manamar bakilai ban attend ya ki duty jogi ki health workers ka trying on ban community bahapi ban yang nak showing people jumai ini trying. Yang kedua kita juga kita kena kes kepada penibahan tu bantu kata kejinglong kemensin kata kejing semua ngani tak mangah biar kapah away mak kalian hidon maghi frontline workers ada semua keketapan kemensin tu dapat yuk semua bahagi kes wajah JAIAW laito hadir balada konsumer hadir ba ia betul ye declare ba kamdan show kini ke virus batlayo kia kinong kitkam ki volunteers jong Shillong ki lek ban I gift